In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a webhook in Mailerlite. By the end, you'll have a clear, reliable way to send real-time updates from Mailerlite to your own system, app, or automation tool. A webhook is simply an automatic message that Mailerlite sends when something you care about happens, like a new subscriber or an unsubscribe, so your other tools can react instantly. Start by opening your browser and searching for Mailerlite. Look for the official site with a secure connection indicated by the lock icon and the correct domain. Click through to the site so you're working in the right place. On the Mailerlite homepage, select Login and sign in to your account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and navigate to Integrations. This is where Mailerlite connects with other tools and where all API-related features live. Inside Integrations, find the Mailerlite API section and locate Webhooks. Click Use to open the Webhook tool. Think of this as the control center where you define what events should trigger notifications and where those notifications should be sent. Next, click the Generate Webhook button to start creating a new webhook. You'll see a form with a few fields to fill out. For the name, choose a clear, descriptive label that helps you recognize the purpose later. For example, something that mentions the list or event you're tracking. Good naming will save you time when you manage multiple webhooks. For the endpoint URL, paste the destination address where Mailerlite should send the data. This should be an HTTPS URL you control, and it should be ready to receive post requests. Make sure your endpoint returns a successful status code so Mailerlite knows delivery worked. If your system requires authentication, ensure that's already set up on your side before you proceed. Under Events, select the triggers you want this webhook to listen for. Pick only what you actually need, such as new subscriber, updated subscriber, or unsubscribe, to keep your data clean and your server workload efficient. You can also enable event batching. This groups multiple notifications into a single request, which can reduce the number of calls your server has to handle and improve performance. Just make sure your endpoint can process a batch format, as you may receive several events at once rather than one by one. When everything looks good, click Create Webhook to save. That's it. Your webhook is active. You can return to this page anytime to review, adjust, or disable it as your workflow evolves.